Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Kartra, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Kartra account? So let's go ahead and talk about that. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Kartra account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that Kartra is a popular way to manage your online courses, email marketing, set up landing pages, just a lot of different features. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Kartra website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up the Kartra website, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to create an account, what you want to do is click on the start for free here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to the pricing page. So Kartra has a lot of different pricing plans depending on the size of your business and what you're going to be doing with it. A lot of it is based off of the amount of contacts that you have. So for example, this one is 2,500 contacts, and that's about $99 per month if you pay for the year. If you pay per month, it's going to be about $119. If you have more contacts, for example, this one is 25,000 contacts. This will be right about $549 per month. From time to time, they do run free trials. Right now they are. So let me go ahead and click on start for free. Okay, next, they're going to take you through a series of questions in order to create your Kartra account. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave my affiliate link there, but I'm going to go ahead and fill this out off screen. Okay, so I went ahead and entered the required information. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next they're letting me know that my monthly total is going to be $119. I get the first 30 days for free. And then they're asking if I have a coupon code. I'll try to leave my coupon code in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Okay, next, in order to create your Kartra account, even though you're going to be using the trial period, you do need to enter in your credit card information. So what's going to happen is you're going to get your first 30 days for free. After that, they will automatically start billing the credit card. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to enter my credit card information in off screen. Okay, so I entered in all my credit card information. I'm going to click on this blue submit payment button, but you can see right here, it says 0 because I'm going to be on the trial period. Okay, next I get this confirmation saying welcome. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this start button. Okay, next Kartra is asking me to go ahead and choose my username. So this is going to be used for my URL. So go ahead and make one up. They say that most people use their business name, so I'm going to go ahead and use my channel name and click on next. Okay, next I need to create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that here, repeat the password, and then you need to choose a security question and type the answer here. And this is going to be for account recovery. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, now they're asking what currency I work in. So I work in dollars, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that. If you choose a different currency, you can go ahead and choose that from this long list. They say that only one currency can be selected per account. And then here, we're going to go ahead and set the default time zone as well. So I'm going to click Pacific and click on next. Okay, now they're asking for the physical mailing address to my business because this is a CAN Spam Act requirement. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, I entered that in. I'm going to click on next. Okay, now they're asking what my industry is. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the best one that applies to me. So I'll just click education. And then have you ever used online business software? Yes. And I'm going to click on next. All right, now it's processing. All right, now it's still setting up my account. So they're going to continue asking me questions. So how many people work in your company? So let me go ahead and just say it's just me and next. Now they're asking if I want a free 15-minute call with a team member. I'm not going to do that. You can if you want. It's a free 15-minute call to walk you through the features, kind of like an orientation, I guess. So I'm going to click on no, I'll schedule later and go to Kartra. Okay, now they're asking me to agree to the terms of service and data processing. So go ahead and read through those. And if you're okay with that, click on yes, I agree. And then click on this blue I agree button. All right, just a quick second later, it lets me into my Kartra dashboard. So now I can start making landing pages. I can set up email campaigns. I can organize my calendars, but here is the dashboard. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create and sign up a Kartra account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.